Transform your health in just 21 days. Are you tired of feeling sluggish, bloated, and stuck in an unhealthy routine? What if I told you that in just 21 days, you could boost your energy, lose weight, and feel amazing, all by drinking delicious, nutrient-packed smoothies? Let's dive into the 21-day smoothie challenge and discover how it can transform your life. So what makes this challenge so effective, and why are so many people seeing life-changing results? Let's break down the key benefits you'll experience when you commit to this simple yet powerful 21-day routine. Do you struggle to get through the day without that extra cup of coffee or a sugary snack to keep you going? With the 21-day smoothie challenge, you'll be fueling your body with clean, natural energy sources like fresh fruits, leafy greens, and healthy fats. The vitamins and antioxidants in these smoothies help stabilize your blood sugar and provide sustained energy, meaning no more afternoon crashes. Imagine feeling awake, alert, and ready to take on whatever your day throws at you, without relying on caffeine or junk food. Benefit number 2, improve your digestion and reduce bloating. Now let's talk about digestion. Do you ever feel heavy or bloated after meals? That uncomfortable feeling could be your body telling you it's struggling to digest what you've eaten. The good news? These smoothies are packed with fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. Ingredients like spinach, kale, and chia seeds work wonders for your gut. They not only help reduce bloating, but they also flush out toxins and support regular digestion. After just a few days, you'll notice a huge difference in how you feel. And it all starts with these simple, nutritious smoothies. Let's face it, losing weight can feel overwhelming, especially with fad diets that leave you hungry and deprived. But with the 21-day smoothie challenge, you're fueling your body with nutrient-dense, low-calorie smoothies that keep you full and satisfied. These smoothies are designed to provide everything your body needs: vitamins, fiber, and healthy fats without the excess calories. By replacing 1 or 2 meals a day with these delicious smoothies, you'll start to see the pounds melt away, all while feeling energized and nourished. One amazing bonus benefit: clearer skin. When you nourish your body with wholesome, fresh ingredients, your skin will start to glow from the inside out. Say goodbye to breakouts and dull skin, and hello to a healthy, radiant complexion. Not only is the 21-day smoothie challenge good for your body, but it's also super easy to follow. Whether you're rushing to work, squeezing in a workout, or handling the chaos of daily life, these smoothies can be prepped in minutes, and they taste amazing. No need for complicated recipes or expensive ingredients, just simple, delicious smoothies that are perfect for anyone, anywhere. So there you have it: boosted energy, better digestion, healthy weight loss, clearer skin, and an easy, delicious routine. The 21-day smoothie challenge is the perfect way to reset your health and kickstart your wellness journey. If you're ready to experience all these benefits for yourself, don't wait. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more health tips, and click the link in the description to get started on your 21-day smoothie challenge today.